banging my head against the same old wall, hoping for different results. You cross the great divide and build the bridge with the blood sacrifice. What will keep hope alive and stem the tide for me? Can't escape my nature, can't outrun the shadows that pin me down. Can't escape my nature. God, I need your help to remain strong. Can't escape my nature, or all the things I did wrong. You will all see how fast I can flee when I'm confronted with reality. It's no big mystery, you have to watch and see. I'm